Hello and welcome back to Mangley Town again, and we have another Class 43 unboxing. This time it's the Grand Central livery and it's R2705X, as in it was a DCC fitted one. Again, mid-release style box, and we'll have a look. And this is one of the rare ones where they've got bumpers fitted. And this is the power car 43080, and again a decent weight, which is going to be handy on all of these for pulling the coaches as well. Grille detail but no fans in these. Again, quite a stunning livery, being that it's pretty much all black. And then we have the dummy car 43068. I'm just not sure if I like them with the buffers on or not, but at least it's something different as well as a different livery to the others. Thank you, and I'll see you again soon.